So this is it inside the Clipton. I just added indicator LED, then added a capacitor for the power supply, because they use the so small that if you set it to high volume, the sound of the guitar is distorted when you doing full volume, because of the lack of current. So I had a bigger capacitor here. They use TDA 2030. This is the inside. Then you solder. So actually this item was I buy it as a scrap item, then made a simple repair, and for me it's okay for now. I will do a review of it on how it used to sound like. Yeah, this is a makeshift cover for it. So maybe in later videos I will post it as painted, but for now this is what it's look like. The front, I changed so this white spots here, as you can see, is molds, because this unit is water damaged by the typhoon, but in actual it's quite acceptable. But maybe I want it to be clean as I like, then maybe I will paint it black in a later video. So let's check it out.